So guys, we are inside our sample project. Suppose we like to highlight the first sentence from here. For that, select Pip. Here we have 3 overlays with 3 different marker colors. You can download them from the video description. Resize and position it over your text. Look for blend. Select slide. Suppose we like to start highlighting text after 1 second. Tap, hold, drag. Snap the layer with the playhead. Select the layer. Tap on this button to place a keyframe. Go to mask. Select the first option. Rotate the mask. Slide to erase the entire marker. Now the duration of the highlighting animation. Go to mask again. Move the mask just to cover the part you want to highlight. This will automatically place a keyframe and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.